So have you ever wanted to record several audio clips and then wanted to be able to save them all at once? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how to do that on Audacity. On Audacity, you actually get the chance to record and save several clips with few clicks. All right, so let's jump into the video as I take you through that. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm taking you to my screen. So here we can see a project that I'm working on. Now, if you listen to the project, you see that it's for my other channel though. That's the Do It Right Fitness, is the fitness page that I have. So you could always go there and then follow for fitness advice and everything. I'm sure that I try my best to give lots of it. So you wouldn't be wrong for selecting that as your fitness advisor. So here's an audio, a few audios that I did. So let's listen and then you would understand it. Your chest and shoulders. Close grip bench press. Lie on a bench with a barbell. Gripping with your hand now bench press. Reverse grip bench press. So these are different exercises that I'm talking about in this audio. And then I want to be able to save them all at once. Now this is how to do it. First and foremost, you want to come into edit and then you can go into preferences, okay? Or select Control P. Now, so I'm just going to close this and then press Control and P. So Control and P. Once I do this, it's going to pop up. So it pops up here and I'm going to go into shortcuts. Now in shortcuts, there are two things you're trying to do. First is to put a label. So let's type label and then we can see here label. So add label to selection. So this label selection is one key thing we want to use. That's Control B. All right. So if I press Control B, it's going to help me add a label to a section. Okay. And then the next thing is to select next clip. So next clip. So for the next clip, I've set it to Alt and dot. Okay. So take note of these things as that's what we're going to use inside here. So what I'm going to first do is select this. Once I've selected this, I'm going to press Control and if you remember, B. So that puts this that you see over here, this here. Now this is where I can put the name of, in this example, the exercise. So if the exercise is chest press, I can put it here. All right, so that's going to be chest press. Then if I press Alt and dot, it's going to move to the next place, and then I'm going to press again Control B. It's going to put another label. So let's look at how I will do it quickly. I'll do it as fast as possible. So selecting the first one, I'm going to press Control and B, then Alt dot, Control B, Alt dot, Control B, Alt dot, move to the next one, Control B. So I'm just going to do that across my work. And that's me selecting every single thing. All right, so I have put for all through the individual clips that exist, I have put labels for all of them. Now I'm going to proceed to change all the names. Now I wouldn't bother you or bore you with that side of it, so I'm just going to fast forward through that. All right, so back to the clip. Now we can see here all the names or all the labelings for every single one has been put in. Now let's go to how we can save them all at once. So I'm going to come into files here, and then once I'm here, I'm going to go into export audio. Now if you're using the older one, you should get an option pop up here. You should get the arrow here, which is going to open up to exporting multiple clips. But in the new version, you're going to click on this, and once you've clicked on that, you get entire project selected already, so you can select multiple files. And like you can see here, it says using label or track name. So in this case, we're using the label. You feel me? So once you selected that, you want to select up here the audio type you want to come out. And in this case, I want to just use MP3. Once I've selected that, all these you can change if you need to change. You want to come here and select the location. So in this example, I'm going to be going to my desktop and then selecting, so new file. I'm going to put inside new file, and then I'm going to select save. Then I'm going to export. So it's saving all of them, and boom, it's done. Now let's go into that space to see if we can find it. So if we open new file, we can see all the files here, like you can see. So bench dips, all the files that we saved, 14 files we saved, are all stored here. And so that is how you can do a very amazing job with Audacity. I hope you learned a thing or two from this. Thank you all very much for watching. Kindly share this video to your loved ones out there. And I'll see you in the next video with the next tech item or tech idea. See you later. Peace out.